If you're planning to attend PowerGen International 2023, be sure to add to your agenda visiting ViewTech Borescopes as they exhibit. From February 21st through the 23rd, you'll be able to trial a ViewTech video borescope during PowerGen's exhibit hall hours at the Orange County Convention Center in Orlando, Florida. ViewTech has thousands of clients that rely on their video borescopes for maintenance, inspections, and quality control procedures. See for yourself at PowerGen International 2023 why ViewTech's affordable, high-quality video borescopes are preferred by engineers and technicians throughout the PowerGen industry's remote visual inspection of machinery, equipment, and components. With ViewTech's no-cost, no-obligation demo offer, you can demo a ViewTech video borescope at your facility before your next inspection requirement. Contact the ViewTech Video Borescope experts at 1-231-943-1171 or visit our website, viewtech.com.